Beneath desert sands, a king's decree, Tutankhamun in eternity. Golden mask, eyes of mystery, in the heart of Egypt's legacy. Tutankhamun, ruler of the Nile. In his tomb, secrets compiled in the sands of time. His spirit stands in the realm of hardstyle lands. Pharaoh's reign, in shadows cast, echoes of power from the past. Lost in time, yet everlast. Tutankhamun, ruler of the Nile. In his tomb, secrets compiled in the sands of time. His spirit stands in the realm of hardstyle lands. Beneath the stars, his kingdom calls. In the rhythm's pulse, his empire sprawls. Tutankhamun's legacy never falls, in the dance of hardstyle halls. Tutankhamun, ruler of the Nile. In his tomb, secrets compiled in the sands of time. His spirit stands in the realm of hardstyle lands. In the echoes of his name we find Tutankhamun's spirit.